Stop scrolling, because today I'm showing you 5 AI tools in 2025 that feel almost too unreal to be true. From text to video, to human-like voices, to AI that thinks for you, these tools are game changers. First up, Runway Gen 2. This tool turns text into video. Yup, you just type a scene, and boom, you get a video clip generated in seconds. No actors, no cameras, no editing software. Tool number 2 is ElevenLabs AI Voice, an AI that clones your voice and makes it sound 99% human. No more robotic text-to-speech. Tool number 3 is Hypernatural AI, one of the most human-like chatbots out there. It doesn't feel robotic, and it's amazing for teachers, creators, or businesses who need natural conversations or written content. Tool number 4 is Midjourney AI, still one of the most powerful text-to-image tools. You type in your imagination, and it creates breathtaking art, concept designs, even brand graphics. Tool number 5, ChatGPT Plugins. This turns ChatGPT into a Swiss Army knife. You can connect it to the internet, analyze data, create charts, book flights. It's insane. So those are 5 AI tools you need in 2025, from text to video to human-like voices. The future isn't coming, it's already